Hello guys, my name is Omid and welcome to my another tutorial videos about React.js. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what are React events and how can we use them. It's a very important topic and we should learn how to use these events in our applications. Just like HTML DOM events, React can perform actions based on user events. And React has the same event as HTML, like click, change, mouse over, and etc. But how can we add an event in our application? It's very easy. Just we should pay attention that React events are written in camel case syntax, onclick instead of onclick. If you look at to onclick, you can understand that onclick has two parts, on plus click, and the second part, click, should start with capital letter. And if you look at this beautiful camel, you can understand what's the meaning of camel case. Also, we should pay attention that React event handlers are written inside curly braces. We have an event, for example, onclick, and our handler is show alert. Show alert should be inside a curly braces, not inside a double quotation and with parentheses. Okay? Yes, here we are going to compare React coding with HTML coding. In React, for example, for a button, if we are going to have an event like onclick, we should write our handles inside a curly braces like the first syntax, and then I am an alert for the bottom. But for HTML coding, we write in this way: onclick equals show alert inside a double quotation with parentheses, and then the text of the bottom, the label of bottom, I am an alert. In a simple example, we will learn how to use onclick event. We put the show alert function inside the message component, like this. Please be careful. It's the whole code. We import React from React, import React DOM from React-DOM, like before, and here we have a component that its name is message, and in this component we define a button that has an event, and its event is onclick, and this event has a handler. This handler is show alert, that it's a kind of function, and it's defined inside the message component like this. And then we have React DOM.render. We call the component name here message, and then document.getElement by ID root. Let's run this example in stackblitz.com. We go to this URL, stackblitz.com, and I should say it's a wonderful place and environment for checking your React codes. You go to the home page, and here front-end frameworks and libraries, you select React, and now after opening you can insert your codes here. I should say that I put the codes of this tutorial in description of this video and you can download them. Okay, we go to index.js and we delete all of them and paste our code here. As you can see, we have this code. We considered it recently, and this is the button that has an event. Okay, what's the event? Onclick. What does it show? It shows an alert. Show alert with the component message that we have defined this code for it. By clicking this button, yes, we have this alert that, hey, I am an alert. I tried to explain React events with very simple example. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if really it is, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.